Alright, today cutting a bunch of trees, as you can see. Show them that you hear. All those are marked. You turn this way. That's our future wildflower spot. So we're just trying to get rid of the trees that might fall on them or destroy them, or if we burn, that'll be dangerous if we burn. So flower cutting today. I got this split tree right here. It's dead as hell, as you can see. All right, chop it down. Let's see, it looks like a, yeah, it's nice. Looks like a hickory to me, but for all you foresters out there or arborists out there, maybe you can tell me differently. Try to get it away from the wildfire spot. I'm trying to land it on the tiny trees right here.
You need wedges?